In today's world, most people are under-eating nutrients but over-consuming calories, which leads to a buildup of excess waste in our system and not enough essential nutrients to let our organs do the job. 1 to 2 eggs a day fixes a lot of that. They are low in calories and loaded with nutrients, 3 in particular. And these nutrients are ones that we can't store extra, so consuming them daily is really important. And these major nutrient deficiencies could be a big reason for all of the chronic disease, especially in the United States. High blood pressure or hypertension, which almost half of the people that die today die from hypertension and other diseases related to it, kidney dysfunction, fatty liver, or clogged arteries. Again, all of these come down to having too many of the wrong things and too little of the good things that we need. Too many calories, too few nutrients. Enter the daily egg. With B vitamins for energy, choline for cholesterol health and brain health, and vitamin K2 for unclogging arteries and to get rid of that hypertension or high blood pressure. B vitamins for energy. B vitamins drive the enzymes that turn your food into usable energy, metabolizing your food. Nutrient number 2 is choline for cholesterol health. Choline helps your liver package and move cholesterol out of your bloodstream. So yes, there is cholesterol in your eggs, but it is essential for the healthy functioning of the cholesterol levels in your kidney and your blood. Choline is like the shipping and handling for LDL cholesterol, which we want low. And so choline helps get rid of it where we don't want it to be, and we make sure our healthy cholesterol levels are in balance. Choline also vastly improves brain health. There are studies proving kids and pregnant mothers with their newborns significantly have better brain function from just more consistent daily egg consumption. There is a supplement called alpha GPC, which is similar to choline for brain health. And that is one reason why it is a commonly recommended nootropic, which helps the function of your brain. And essential nutrient number 3, vitamin K2. Calcium can build up in our arteries if it's not told where to go and what to do, which is a bad thing. Vitamin K2 is the messenger that directs calcium into your bones and teeth instead of your arteries, preventing that calcium from building up and clogging all of your arteries. On my Instagram, I post a bit called the Daily Egg, just showing you how I make and eat my eggs every day, but it is not a bit. There is a real reason to eating eggs on a daily basis because of the essential nutrients in them while still being a low-calorie option. Fantastic value in your diet. They're also really affordable and easy to make. So here's the few ways that I make them on a day-to-day basis.
Audio for this.
And you've got lots of editing opportunities.
What you doing, Earl?